Hi guys, welcome to Fiverr review YouTube channel. My name is AK. In this video I will review with social media content strategy course review guys. So watch video completely guys. I will explain each and every step in this video guys. Stay tuned and don't skip this video guys. If you want watching and first time on my channel, please hit the like and smash the subscribe also guys. Let's get started. Learn how to create and implement a powerful social media content strategy that is geared for success. This course also completed for 4.97 rating guys. Is 723 students already provide for the positive review and 23 videos is covered for this course and 1.4 hours of video length. This course costs for $46 guys, and this course also provide for 30-day money back guarantee and unlimited access of anywhere and anytime, and learn from hand with an instruction of expert in the field. Now we will see this video of the presentation guys. I will give the link in the description below guys. You will check it out, watch this video of the pre-presentation. Now this course will be covered for this course syllabus guys. Number one, course introduction, welcome and course downloads, and chapter 2 selecting objects and marketing funnel, key performance indicator and setting objectives, and chapter 3 guys is identifying your target audience, marketing persons and customer research and Facebook audience insight, cues identifying your target audience. Chapter 4 guys is defining your content strategy and content mission statement, researching competitors, content pillars, identifying post types and define your content strategy. And chapter 5 guys, executing on your content strategy and planning your post, selecting visuals, writing copy, executing on your content strategy. Chapter 6 guys is creating an efficient process reusing content, getting help and creating an efficient process. And chapter 7 guys is measuring and performance and Facebook and Instagram analyze and insights and multi-channel content strategy and measuring and optimizing. And chapter 8 guys is conclusions, what we will learn, and chapter 9 guys is final quiz. That's it guys. Now you will see this guys, this course will be complete. Once you will complete this course, you will be learn to create impactful content that engage your audience immediately. So you will create an effective, organized and efficient social media content strategy. So you will implement your content strategy with years in contact with the professional competitive research and run an efficient content development process, leverage content to connect with your people and grow your bottom line. So in this course guys, you will learn how to create a social media content with thumb swapping power and with the essential skills required for you developing and executing on your brilliant strategy. And you will be learn about the marketing funnel and setting objective, the key indicator, and will identifying your target audience by doing in-depth customer research and using Facebook Insights, SurveyMonkey and empathy mapping. You will learn how to define your content strategy with a strong mission statement and content pillars and execute on your strategy by planning and copywriting in advance. So this course will be learn guys how to create a killer content strategy for Facebook and Instagram, and how to identify your target person, and how to develop your content mission statement, and how to measurable goals and objective for your campaign, how to do research for customer research, how to plan and organize your post. So you will learn this Retargeting guys. He is renowned marketer, designer of the storyteller guys. This product creator Mr. Vendor Retargeting, 10 years experience of this field guys. So this marketing manager and qualities on this brand rank top growth in marketing, the both HubSpot and the search engine optimization. So you need only for this internet and computer and laptop and mobile device guys. That's it guys, nothing for anything guys. Definitely this course really worthwhile guys, because 30-day money back guarantee is provide for you. If you are not satisfied for this course, definitely you will refund for your money is 30 days money back guarantee time. Now you will see this guys, 723% already provided for the valuable review guys. Now see this guys, this course is great and easy to follow. It's covered all point of content. I would have loved to some of other areas of the funnel, but I loved my must say very informative for me, and thank you. Nice course with clear steps and language. Only thing I noticed is the explanation of this cross posting and cross promoting and all mixed up here. And check it out guys, I will give the link in the description below. You check it out for the review and watch this presentation also guys, and I hope each and every step I will explain this video guys. If you want need this course, I will give the link in the description below guys. You will check it out. Plus if you want need your suggestion and your feedback also guys, please provide for your valuable suggestion and comment section guys, and have a nice day.